In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix the error GeForce Now is currently not available in your region, and also another error which is GeForce Now is not supported in your country at the login page. So the first thing you guys are going to do is download a VPN called TunnelBear. So you're going to open up your browser and then you're just going to search up TunnelBear in the search bar. From here, you're just going to click download right over here, and it should automatically download it. It should detect which OS that you are on and it should automatically download it for you. There are VPNs better than TunnelBear that have unlimited data too, which I will be linking down below, like Bitdefender. But for this video specifically, I will be using TunnelBear since it is free. So you're going to click on the exe right over here. You're going to click install. You're going to click allow, so yes. So you should automatically be redirected to this page where you have to log in. So if you haven't used TunnelBear before, you're going to click on create a free account, and then you're just going to create an account. So I'll be back when I create a free account. So once the account has been created, you're going to click on the United States, as the United States has the most amount of GeForce Now servers. So once it has connected, you will see a notification right over here saying that it is connected. You can also do other things like tweet about TunnelBear for 1 GB of free data. So obviously this is limited, this is free, so you only have 3 GB. So you're going to have to actually be conservative with how much you use it. But now you're just going to go into GeForce Now and click on the game that you are trying to play. So to fix the error GeForce Now is not supported in your country, you can just use TunnelBear for this as well. Or you can even use a VPN through your browser on the Chrome Web Store. You're obviously just going to go into your account or the login page and then turn on TunnelBear and then just log in from there. So with the VPN, you will notice that there's a lot more lag. So there should be a video in the top right that shows a hidden setting to getting no delay on GeForce Now. I will also be linking a few videos I made in the past on how to reduce lag on GeForce Now. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.